In this captivating video, we explore the fascinating topic of how artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the job landscape. As technology advances at an unprecedented pace, it is crucial to understand the profound impact AI is having on various industries. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been a buzzword for a few years now, and its impact on the job market is becoming increasingly evident. As the technology continues to evolve, AI is reshaping the job landscape in ways that were not possible before. From automating routine tasks to predicting trends and providing insights, AI is transforming industries across the board. While some people fear that this technology will replace human workers, others see it as an opportunity to enhance their skills and work more efficiently. In this blog post, we will explore how AI is impacting the job market, what industries are most affected, and what this means for workers and businesses alike. So, buckle up and get ready to learn about the rise of AI. The increasing prevalence of AI in today's world. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming increasingly prevalent. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and advanced data analytics, AI has permeated various aspects of our daily lives, reshaping industries and revolutionizing the way we work. One of the key reasons behind the rise of AI is the exponential growth of data. With the advent of the internet, social media, and interconnected devices, an enormous amount of data is being generated every second. Traditional methods of analyzing and making sense of this data have become inadequate, leading to the need for advanced AI algorithms and machine learning techniques. AI has the potential to automate repetitive tasks, optimize processes, and provide valuable insights that were previously unimaginable. This transformative technology is not limited to a single industry. It is disrupting and reshaping sectors ranging from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and customer service. Understanding AI and its capabilities. Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative technology that is reshaping various aspects of our lives, including the job landscape. To truly comprehend the impact of AI on the job market, it is crucial to understand what AI is and its capabilities. In simple terms, AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These systems are designed to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions or take actions based on the information provided. AI can process vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, enabling it to identify insights and trends that may not be apparent to humans. The capabilities of AI are vast and diverse. Machine learning, a subset of AI, allows computers to learn from experience and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. This ability enables AI systems to adapt and evolve, making them incredibly valuable in analyzing complex data sets and providing accurate predictions. The impact of AI on the job market, a closer look. The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, has undoubtedly brought about significant changes to the job market. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, it is reshaping the way businesses operate and the skills required to thrive in this new landscape. One of the most noticeable impacts of AI on the job market is automation. AI-powered machines and algorithms are increasingly replacing repetitive and mundane tasks that were previously performed by humans. This shift has led to concerns about job loss and the displacement of workers in various industries. However, it is important to note that while certain job roles may become obsolete, the emergence of AI also presents new opportunities and creates demand for new skill sets. The implementation of AI technology requires skilled professionals who can design, develop, and maintain these systems. As a result, there is a growing demand for experts in AI, machine learning, data analysis, and algorithm development. Jobs at risk, industries most affected by AI. As artificial intelligence, AI, continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, its impact on various industries cannot be ignored. While AI brings numerous benefits and opportunities, it also poses a significant threat to certain job sectors. In this section, we will explore the industries that are most affected by AI and the jobs that are at risk. Manufacturing and production. The introduction of automation and robotics in manufacturing processes has already transformed the industry. AI-powered machines are capable of performing tasks with greater efficiency and accuracy, reducing the need for human intervention. As a result, jobs such as assembly line workers, machine operators, and quality control inspectors are at risk of being replaced by AI-powered systems. Transportation and logistics. The rise of autonomous vehicles and drones has the potential to revolutionize the transportation and logistics sector. Self-driving trucks and delivery drones can perform tasks more efficiently, eliminating the need for truck drivers and delivery personnel. While this technology is still in its early stages, it is expected to have a significant impact on job roles in this industry. Customer service and support, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are increasingly being used to handle customer queries and support requests. These intelligent systems can provide instant responses and assistance, reducing the need for human customer service representatives. While human interaction will still be required for complex issues, routine and repetitive tasks may be taken over by AI, impacting job opportunities in this field. Data analysis and research. With the ability to process vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time, AI algorithms are transforming the field of data analysis and research. Jobs that involve data entry, data cleaning, and basic data analysis are at risk of being automated. However, it is important to note that AI can also enhance these roles by providing valuable insights and assisting in complex decision-making processes. Banking and finance. AI-powered systems are increasingly being used in the banking and finance industry to automate tasks such as fraud detection, credit scoring, and investment portfolio management. This automation can streamline processes, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. However, it may also lead to job losses in areas such as manual data entry, transaction processing, and basic accounting. Jobs that are thriving alongside AI. While it's true that AI has disrupted certain industries and led to the automation of certain job roles, there are also numerous job opportunities that have emerged and are thriving alongside AI. In fact, the rise of AI has created a demand for new skill sets and expertise that were previously non-existent. One such area is AI development itself. As companies increasingly invest in AI technologies, the need for skilled AI developers, data scientists, and machine learning engineers has skyrocketed. These professionals are responsible for designing, building, and implementing AI systems, ensuring their efficiency and accuracy. Another field that has seen significant growth is AI ethics and governance. With the ethical implications of AI becoming a major concern, organizations are now seeking professionals who can navigate the ethical challenges associated with AI development and deployment. These individuals play a crucial role in ensuring that AI technologies are developed responsibly and in line with societal values. The need for upskilling and adapting to AI advancements. With the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, the job landscape is continuously evolving. As AI technology becomes more prevalent in various industries, it is crucial for individuals to embrace the need for upskilling and adapting to these advancements. Upskilling refers to acquiring new skills or enhancing existing ones to stay relevant in the job market. As AI takes over certain tasks and processes, it is essential for individuals to develop expertise in areas that complement and work alongside AI technologies. One way to upskill is by focusing on developing skills that are uniquely human and difficult to replicate by machines. These skills include critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making. By honing these skills, individuals can position themselves as valuable assets in an AI-driven workplace. Additionally, individuals should be proactive in seeking out opportunities to learn about AI technologies and how they can be integrated into their respective fields. This could involve attending workshops, taking online courses, or participating in industry conferences. By staying informed and knowledgeable about the latest advancements in AI, individuals can adapt their skill sets to align with the changing job requirements. Furthermore, collaboration between humans and AI is becoming increasingly important. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, individuals should embrace it as a tool that can enhance their capabilities. By understanding how to effectively collaborate with AI systems, individuals can leverage their own expertise and insights to achieve better outcomes. Ultimately, the rise of AI necessitates a mindset of continuous learning and adaptation. Those who are willing to upskill and embrace AI advancements will be better equipped to navigate the evolving job landscape and thrive in a future where AI plays an increasingly prominent role. Embracing AI as a tool for efficiency and productivity. In today's fast-paced world, the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping various industries, including the job landscape. While some may fear that AI will replace human workers, forward-thinking businesses are embracing AI as a powerful tool for enhancing efficiency and productivity. AI has the potential to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of their jobs. For instance, customer service chatbots can handle common queries, allowing customer service representatives to handle more complex issues and provide personalized solutions. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also empowers employees to deliver a higher level of service. Moreover, AI-powered algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions with precision and accuracy. Whether it's predicting market trends, optimizing supply chain operations, or identifying potential risks, AI algorithms can provide valuable insights that would otherwise be time-consuming and prone to human error. By embracing AI as a tool for efficiency and productivity, businesses can streamline operations, reduce costs, and gain a competitive edge in the market. However, it's important to note that AI should not be seen as a replacement for human workers but rather as a complement to their skills and expertise. The rise of AI is undeniably reshaping the job landscape as we know it. While this may bring about some concerns and uncertainties, it is crucial to recognize the opportunities and benefits that AI can bring. Don't miss out on learning about all the hot new areas of tech that are quickly evolving and transforming the way we do business. Tune into our video to get ready for the future of work and the potential AI can have to revolutionize your career. Join us now to discover how AI is changing the job landscape.